morning, guys. Welcome back to school. Let's get our day started. All right, yesterday was Monday the 19th. So when I'm counting, this is a hard one, and I say 19, what number am I going to count next? 19, 20. 20 is our next number, and today is October the 20th. It's Tuesday, October the 20th. Do you remember what a 20 looks like? Put it in your brain. What do you think it's going to look like? There it is. A 2 and then a 0. 20. Say it. 20. 20. 20. Okay? So here is my 20. Okay? Now let's add a day to our days of school right here. Okay? Our little pockets right in here. Okay? Now I want to count how many days we've been in school using our straws. Okay, I'm going to pull them out of my tens pocket and out of my ones pocket. Okay. Do I have to count these every single one? Nope, I've already done that. That's going to make it a little bit faster for us, right? I know that each one of these groups is 10. Okay, so I'm going to count these by tens, and then I'm going to keep counting by 1, right? Okay, so count with me. We're going to count by tens and then count by ones, whatever we have left over. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 31. All right, now let's build our number 31. Okay, and here's how I figure out how to build it. Okay, how many groups of 10 do I have in this pocket? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Now I know this is 30 altogether, right? But it's 3 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so look, I already got the 3 there, so we're good. Now let's see how many ones we have. How many do we have in our one pocket? Just 1, right? Okay, so I need to switch this 0 to a 1. And now I have the number 31. Read it with me. 31. All right, and yesterday we have been in school for 30 days. This is another hard one. When I'm counting and I say 30, what number comes next? 30, 31 is the next number. What do you think the number 31 will look like? Put it in your brain. What do you think? Okay. So there's my 30 right here. Okay. There's 30. What will 31 look like? Here it is, and it's back to black, isn't it? Kind of cool. All right, read it with me. 31. 30 numbers always start with a 3, and then they have whatever number comes next. Now 30 doesn't have a number next, so it just has a 0, right? But they always have whatever number you say next. So 31. Read it. 31. Read it again. 31. Okay? There is 31. We have been in school for 31 days. Now, I'm pulling back out the same shape we talked about yesterday. Do you remember the name of this shape? It's kind of hard. Sphere. Can you say that? Sphere. How is this shape different than all the other shapes we've been working on? It's not flat, is it? It's solid. When I hold it in my hands, there's space. Okay? We also call these 3D shapes. It's not a 2D shape anymore. Now they're 3D. Solid shapes are 3D shapes. Okay? I notice that it doesn't have any sides or corners. It's round. Looks kind of like a ball, right? Okay, so let's go over all the shapes that we know so far. Are you ready? We'll start with our shape of the day, and then we'll keep going. What's this? Sphere. Good job. Rectangle. Now we're in our 2D shapes, aren't we? We're in our flat shapes. Rectangle. Hexagon. Circle. Triangle. Square. Good job. All right. Now, I want to teach you one other new thing today. Okay. So what's this a picture of? It's a picture of a penny. Okay, now a real penny has a front and a back, right? Okay, and what do we use pennies for? They're money. They're a type of money, aren't they? Okay, a penny is worth 1 cent. And I have a little rhyme that helps me remember about a penny, okay? Penny, penny, easily spent, copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. Say it with me. penny, penny, easily spent, copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. Say it again. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. That's what a penny looks like. Okay, I'm gonna put it right here, and we'll go over a penny a few more times, okay? And then we'll move on to something new. Now, let's do our number of the day, okay? I'm gonna hold them up. You're gonna tell me how many. I'm gonna freeze on our number of the day. Here we go. 3, 7, 4, 8, 9, 0, 10, 5, 6, 2, 1, 3, 7, 4, 8, 9, 0, 10, 5, 6. This is our number of the day. Let's go do it.